Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have heat on one side you have phenyl, other side you have ethyl. Here is in LDA and you have cyclohexyl borate chloride and TEA. Two different set of reagents and similar kind of reactants. You have to find what will be the final product. Here the enol formation is the key. If you use the bulky reagent, it has terminal proton absorption as well as Z enolate form. If you use LDA, the Z enolate because it is less bulky when compared to boryl compound, so you have final products in there. But if you look at the boron compound, the bulky cyclohexyl group is there. The final product end up with anti. So the enol formation is the key here. So LDA and boron behave differently and it dictates the final geometry. The concept you have to learn here is bulkiness versus enolate formation. Bulky reagents create E enolate, less bulky create Z enolate. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.